Good morning, dear students. Welcome in social science class. Dear students, we are resuming our chapter 5, that is water surrounding the earth, in which first we have completed the process of water cycle, then the various movements of ocean water, in which we have discussed the waves, ocean currents, and tides. We can discuss these topics in broad. Then next we have the importance of oceans to man, why oceans are important for the human beings. So here we can start. The oceans facilitate countries and regions to trade with one another. Oceans are very useful for the trade purpose as well. Sometimes we are originating from the different fishing grounds also. We are having different fishing grounds also, which is helpful for the trade and commerce. On the other hand, we are using the transportation due to this ocean facilities. So goods can be moved a very large quantity by ships and the transportation is cheaper. We have already discussed in previous classes that the waterways are the oldest as well as the cheapest mode of transportation. So this is very important for the moving of very large quantity of luggage or the other goods and commodities from one place to another at very cheap prices. Then other mode of transportation, the marine environment. Marine means the living organisms who are living inside the water. Another word we can using is aquatic life. The marine environment provides animal and plant life for food and trade in abundance. And oceans, yes, there is life inside the ocean. Some of the valuable mineral resources are also found in the ocean floors, which are very important for the human beings. Like we have mineral oil, magnesium nodules, the particles, magnesium particles, gold, platinum. These are the minerals. Nickel, copper, cobalt are some of the valuable minerals found in different parts of the oceans. Several countries are tapping. Tapping means taking out minerals is a source of energy in a very big way. However, the exploitation of the deep ocean floors, a source of mineral, is still at an early stage. Yes, whenever we are getting the huge minerals or maximum minerals inside the ocean water, they are required by the governments of that particular areas as well. In future, it is hoped that the ocean will serve as a major source of valuable resources, which are utilized or which will be utilized by the human beings. Just like we have oil rig of ONGC Mumbai, that is, we can say that it is a Tarapur oil refinery, petroleum oil refinery in Mumbai we have. Next we have the case study of tsunami. Tsunami, what we call the underground or underwater earthquake. Whenever the earthquake take place inside the water, that is called tsunami. And by this, what happened, the waves of the water take a huge look. Just look at the picture. They are just transforming into the huge waves and they are always destructive. In 2004, India also faced a destructive tsunami and different areas were affected by this huge tsunami, the high waves during tsunami. And look at the diagram also, the map as well. Areas affected by tsunami. These were the areas which were affected. It was started by Indonesia. We can say that the epicenter of the quake, underwater earthquake. In simple words, tsunami is an underwater earthquake. And then after it hit the Malaysia, then little bit we can say that Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And then they look at the waves here. These are the waves. These are the we can say that the primary waves were affected in solid as well as in the liquid medium. Little bit part of Sri Lanka and the coastal regions of the Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. These were the specific areas who were affected very badly in 2004 by tsunami, and little bit the Somalia also. These were the areas which was affected by tsunami. So let's continue with the tsunami. In December 2004, gigantic waves, the big waves, we can say that, the likes of which were never seen before, crashed into the coastal regions in many parts of the world, washing away people, animals, and homes. It was quite a destructive. Many living beings were destructed by this, even the things were also, and the property was also destructed by this huge waves. There was unprecedented losses and the whole world washed in horror. Government agencies, non-government organizations, or simple words we are saying the NGOs and resident welfare associations, business organizations, shopkeepers, schools, and colleges provided relief to the victims by donating money, clothes, medicines, bedding, tents, etc. Just like we are also providing help. Last year also we were supporting the Bihar victims, the flood victims. Similarly, the other, whenever we are having such kind of disaster, natural disaster, these organizations, whether we can say that the schools, colleges, other organizations, whether they are government, whether they are non-government, they all are supporting in their own level. Media played an important